Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe Pasro and press the bell icon. We are doing birthday series. People who born on this day, kindly comment yes, I born on this day, or this is my birthday. So it will help people to find each other. We also wishes you happy birthday. I am be with my computer. Today we are going to see secret of facts about people born on this March.
25th point. Great creative potential, vivid perception of the world, optimism are characterizing these people. They are rational and sentimental, emotional, and energetic. Their minds and senses are working in a perfect harmony. These are people of action and ideas. In the first part of their lives, people of this month of birthday, the 25th of May, experience some difficulties because of their emotions. Over the years, they develop a sense of proportion and patience. They know their good sides so well that they accept those as something very obvious, and not to waste time trying to impress the others. People of this month of birthday know very well which values are the most important, and this quality is attracting others to them. Their intellectual approach to all problems is painted with a light shade of feelings and passion. If people of this month of birthday 25 can manage to control themselves, they are attentive, sensitive, and perceptive. They always clearly see their goals and strive to achieve the desired results. Too strong willing for independence is their weakness, and for them, it is important to get used to a firm discipline. The original creative imagination, the absence of selfish motives, and accurately calculated actions are bringing them success. Behind their energetic and romantic appearance there is hidden a philosophical, thinking nature. Being a people of action, they are not limiting themselves to reflections, they are always trying to do something, and in their own way they are making attempts to transform the world through philosophy, social work, political influence, always guided by the supreme interests. Their ambitions are intended to benefit the others, not to achieve just some personal glory. Great sense of dignity is combined with the true spirit of humanity and genuine love for people. Thanks to their energy, attraction, and desire for perfection, those born under this month of birthday 25 can achieve a lot. Emotional characteristics. Sexually, they represent a quite strange combination. They are attracted to those who are wealthy, but they have a strong tendency to romance, which makes them to idealize their objects of adoration. Love is born in their minds if the object has a good financial base. Despite the romance, the poor people are rarely attractive to those with this month of birthday 25. Physically, they are usually at the average level. They are not very adventurous, and not particularly in need of sex. If they are excited, their energy is high. And yet they are sometimes sexually reserved. This month of birthday 25 is a romantic materialist. They are happy with the business-oriented people. They need spiritual satisfaction and wealth in the same basket. They also need to have someone who will correspond to their dreaming nature. Changes are better than calm reflection, that's their motto. They are often in need of different decorations, different scenery. People of this month of birthday 25 are usually faithful by nature. They cannot be called insincere or superficial. Their thirst for changes is just a necessity, and this must be considered. However, being soft, they can suppress this tendency for changes if it is seriously required by the one they sincerely love. As long as their personal relationships are always associated with business, this or another way, they are more likely to suppress a desire for change than to end the relationship. For many people with this month of birthday 25, it is necessary to control the desire for money and material gain, cultivating a love for art. In most cases, the early years of their lives are characterized by changes, testing and different discoveries. At a later period they live peacefully, and are usually engaged in charity and philanthropy. You have rational mind type. You are analytical and logical, and remain like this in any situation, which is profitable for you. Your methods through life are clever and thorough, and you like when others follow your example. Also, people can be envious of your intuition, and supported by consistent logic it leads you through your journey. Person like you is perfect for science, researching and studying. You never make superficial judgments. Your mind works the way that it needs to search for proofs, so the opinions you have are authoritative most of the time. You just can't and don't want to make silly presumptions about anything, as you prefer rough fact over lucky suggestion. Person like you may succeed in any field that includes research, science, and decision making. You are not emotionally generous, though you try to share your feelings, but most of the time you can't shape them into words good enough. However, you are very sensitive and your feelings are bright and deep. Your shortcomings, your mind often prevents you from doing what you really want to do. You are rational, but sometimes you need to give the irrational part of you a chance. Never ignore the heart. Otherwise you can become sharp, lonely, overly critical and senseless. Use your intellect wisely, but in areas ruled by emotions let the heart decide.